Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Happy new month. Today is 1st of August. Wow. I hope you guys are doing well. For me, I'm doing okay. I'm fine. Today, I say, let me show you what I want to prepare. Guess what I want to prepare today? A soup that everybody knows very, very well. So let's go by measuring the names of the ingredients I will be using today. Don't mind my voice. I just woke up now. I say, let me just do the video first before, So this is a crayfish. We have Nigerian crayfish and Italian crayfish. So this is a okporoko. Yeah, it's okporoko, stockfish. This is crayfish. Yeah, this crayfish is beautiful. Like seriously, this is crayfish. This is smoked fish. Yeah, we have this dry fish. You see, this is dry fish. I will be using dry fish too. Yeah, this is chicken, and this is what is it called? This is pomo. Yeah, I will be using pomo too. This is pomo. This is goat meat. Yeah, I will be using different type of meat today. This is goat meat. This is shaki and her body. So these are the meat I will be using. Yeah, I have fresh fish, but it's in the fridge. I haven't yet bring it out. So maybe later in the day I will bring it out. Not that I want to cook now, but I just want to make the video before, doing other things. This is shaki. Sorry, this is her body, shaki, goat's meat, pomo, chicken, crayfish. I have two types of crayfish here: Italian crayfish and African crayfish. This is Nigerian crayfish. This is an Italian crayfish. This is a dry fish. This is a stockfish, and this is a crayfish. Yeah. So these are the things I will be using today. Okay, let me bring the leaf I will be using for this soup, because I want to prepare a dikaiko soup that everybody know too well. Where is my African people? I know that everybody know what a dikaiko soup is. So today I will be preparing a dikaiko soup. This place is well cleaned. I've cleaned it already. It's well cleaned. So this is a so that some people will say, she did not clean it and she's putting the leaf there. So these are the leaf I'll be using today. In Europe we don't have enough of all those things they have in Nigeria, like water leaf, vegetable and everything. These are vegetables too, but we don't have water leaf here. What to do? So we use the one we have. The most important thing, you make the food delicious. You must not have everything they have in Nigeria to make the soup you want here in Europe. So these are the leaf I will be using to make this edikaiko soup. So this leaf, everybody know this leaf, but I will still use this leaf too because I like the leaf. Now I've already add all the whole ingredients together. So both the oil, what you will do, you have to wait for the oil to cook because of the order of the oil. You have to wait for the oil to cook. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover it now so that the oil will cook. You see, to dry the whole water. See, my people, I think I cause if I want to prepare. As we do one before now, as we do one now, African woman need to know how to cook. So that when you marry tomorrow, your man no go outside say because my wife no sabi cook oh, make I go outside go dey eat for restaurant oh. No.
African woman supposed to know how to cook. So now I bring today for Nana say I want cook edikaiko soup. Make I show people how I did they prepare my own edikaiko soup. So all the whole ingredients, I don't add all the whole ingredients. So waiting, I don't add everything now, both the oil and everything. So I need to let the oil cook because you know sometimes when you they eat oil, they get that kind of odor for mouth. When you want use and cook, you need to let them cook before you add anything. Oh, so right now I don't add the oil now. I need to cover the oil. I need to cover the pot so that the oil go cook. When the oil cook finish, I go come add my vegetable, the leaf. I go come add them so that everything go cook together. It go come as a edikaiko soup right now. I need to cover them now. Make the water dry. You see water for inside the pot. So maybe say I put water now from inside the meat. Now the water for the come out. So now the water go dry. You go come remain the oil and the meat before I go come add my vegetable leaf. So this one I be my vegetable leaf when I want use now. Say make I show una my vegetable leaf when I want use now. Una dey see I don't slice them. As I don't slice them now, I need to wait make that oil dry, make that water of oil dry now before I go add the vegetable. Now this fish I want use, I go add the fish last because I know they like make my fish scatter for inside soup. So last now everywhere go stew, everything go balance. Last I'll come add the fish. This one are the vegetable when I don't slice. Make we see how it go take come out. Later I go see video and show you now my people. Wanna get patient with me, wanna not run Now see how much it there for fire so water no there Edikaiko they not they put water See it depends on you anyway. You dey see my own so me I like and like this. Edikaiko soup. Edikaiko soup. So now don't see I'm not seated there like this. So now this one we they call Edikaiko soup. Nkelengba, nyakanongba.